Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Let's make some quality woodcraft today. Morning, and welcome to Precision Woodcraft Industries. I'm Marcus Chen, and I've spent 32 years turning raw timber into beautiful furniture.
We receive approximately 50 truckloads of lumber every week. That's over 200,000 board feet of premium hardwood.
Financial things. Let me introduce you to our raw materials. This is red oak. See this strong, prominent grain? It's grain.
Fresh cut lumber contains 30 to 80% moisture content. If we tried to make furniture from that, it would warp.
Not every board makes the cut for furniture. Our graders have trained eyes. They spot defects most people would never notice.
Welcome to the rough mill, and this is where lumber becomes furniture components. These machines are loud, powerful, and incredibly precise.
The crosscut station is where we remove nature's imperfections. Our operator has 18 years of experience.
Every board is different. I look for hidden defects.
The gang rip saw makes multiple cuts simultaneously. That scanning system measures each board to the 100th of an inch.
The planer does 4 things at once. It flattens both faces, straightens both edges, and brings every piece to exact thickness.
Most furniture requires panels wider than any single board. So we edge glue narrow boards together.
This is where the 21st century meets woodworking. These 12 CNC machines represent $15 million in equipment and capability.
Positions.
My job is translating design into reality. When engineering sends a new furniture design,
Watch this transformation. A rectangular block becoming an elegant tapered leg. The roughing bit removes material.
This chair back demonstrates true 5-axis capability. The spindle isn't just moving up, down, left, right. It's tilted.
Automation doesn't eliminate skilled workers, it multiplies them. One technician now oversees 4 CNC machines.
Sanding is where CNC precision becomes touchable quality. Machine marks, raised grain, minor imperfections, all removed here.
I've been running sanders for 22 years. This machine does what would take me an hour by hand in about 40 seconds.
Flat panels are straightforward. The challenge is everything else. Curves, profiles, inside corners. We have 12.
Machines do 90% of the work, but this 10% makes the difference. I'm looking for things a customer would feel, a slight ridge at a glue line.
Wood dust isn't just messy. Fine particles are health hazards and combustion risks. Our dust collection system cost $800,000.
Everything we've done so far can be ruined in seconds by a bad finish. Dust, humidity, temperature, all enemies of perfect coating.
Every wood species absorbs stain differently. Oak, maple, cherry, same stain looks different on each. Teach the robot by hand, literally holding the spray gun and moving through the motions while it records. Then I refine the program, adjust speeds and angles.
Sealer is the unsung hero of finishing. It penetrates wood pores, anchors the stain, and creates a foundation for top coat. Catalyzed varnish gives us the durability of old-style lacquer without the environmental problems. Once it cures,
Patience again. Catalyzed finish needs 24 hours minimum to fully cross-link and harden. Rush it, and you get soft spots that will mar easily.
A dining table requires 47 individual pieces of hardware. A bedroom dresser, over 200.
Nature of these graders. The 32mm system is industry standard. Hardware spacing based on 32mm increments. Every hole I drill.
Subassembly lets us build furniture in parallel. While drawer boxes are made here, case sides are prepared.
This is where everything comes together, literally. Our assembly line has 12 stations, each with a 90-second cycle time.
I've built over 50,000 dressers in my career. Everyone starts the same way. Left side, right side, back panel. But everyone matters.
Tables must be perfect. A wobbling table is unforgivable in our industry. Threaded inserts allow tightening without stripping wood.
That torque driver stops at exactly 25 inch-pounds.
Every joint must be perfect. I sit in chairs I build. If it doesn't feel solid to me, it doesn't leave my station.
My job is protecting our customers. I have 3 minutes per piece to find anything wrong. Finish defects, loose.
We don't just inspect, we torture test. That chair is experiencing 10 years of use in 8 hours.
Things. A furniture company is really a packaging company that happens to build furniture. If it arrives damaged, nothing else matters. We store nearly 24,000 pieces of furniture ready to ship. That robot crane retrieves any item in under 90.
Every day, 25 to 30 trucks leave this dock, carrying furniture to homes across the country.
Sustainability isn't marketing, it's survival. Wood is a renewable resource, but only if we use it responsibly.
I started here at 19. Now I supervise the CNC department.
Our average employee has been here almost 12 years. That's extraordinary.
We're more than a factory. We're 340 families, 340 mortgages, 340 Thanksgiving tables.
Happy birthday to you! Yay! Woohoo!
32 years ago, I made my first furniture piece on a lathe my grandfather taught me to use. Today, I've shown you technology that didn't exist when I started.